Primetime news this evening. We broke no rules. Health Ministry defends COVID-19 quarantine spend in 2020. Bring back the death penalty. How one regional leader wants to address the surge in murders. And the tourism sector records breaking earnings.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's a major development this evening. Business confidence is down. That and more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the Reggae Girls head coach is not too pleased with aspects of the build-up for this summer's World Cup finals. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And I went outside and I saw a little, cloudy thing happening. Romaine, what's up with that?
Yes, Janella, tomorrow is Wednesday, the day we are expecting most of the showers to be occurring across the island for this week. We also have some shower activity expected on Thursday. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you make of the call from one regional leader for the reintroduction of the death penalty in the region?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.